Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So there are my colors and they will be listed in the description box below. Right here, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just showing you all the colors. Full disclosure, I painted this piece before Christmas and I just kept forgetting to do the video. So this is a 24 by 24 inch canvas and we're going to fill this lovely spouted cup, and this is going to be a ring pour with negative space. So this is going to be, oh goodness, TLP Dark Forest. I'm sorry, Black Forest, not Dark Forest. Okay, so then next we have Prussian Blue. I guess I'm thinking. Next, we're going to go in with a little bit more Prussian Blue. Next, that is actually titanium white and Vallejo Pearl medium. Just a little bit of cloud mix in there. I just wanted to see if I could get a little bit of effects, but nothing too cloudy. Just a little bit of puffing. So that is Pthalo Green. This is this Little Piggy tail feather. This is going to be Amsterdam's Deep Gold. I love that gold. It's really nice. I didn't really have too much of a plan when I did this, apparently. So that's going to be the Pthalo Green again. And then we should go back in with the titanium white mix. I didn't want that gold by the white. I was worried it would maybe take over a little bit. And all my paints have a 3-second trace. They're pretty thick. Pretty much, you know, the way I do my cloud pours. So, and then that is the Prussian Blue again. And then I'm going to go back in with the Pthalo Green. So there's my cup. This spouted cup is so great for ring pours, you guys. And yeah, oh, okay, so I am going to use Sherwin Williams as a base coat. I don't normally do this, but this piece was so large and I really wanted a blue that was going to dry really deep and dark, but still look blue. Sometimes, you know, it's like, well, wait, is it blue or is it black? Or is it green or is it black? So, or is it purple? Is it black? You know, so I just really wanted to make sure. So here we go with the ring pour. This is going to be in real time and it is going to take a hot minute. So I'm going to let this play out, but a lot of the rest of the video will be sped up because there is a lot of tilting. No spinning in this piece, all tilting. So some of the tilting up front or early on will be in real time, but then like I said, I speed up a lot of the end. So, and then I have dried images of this. I have a video at the end as well of details. So yeah, hang in with me, you guys. I will be back shortly. Hey guys, I'm back. So thanks for hanging in with me. I know it was slow going right at the very beginning, but with pieces like this, you really want to take your time and tilt slowly. Okay, just take your time. It gives all the rings time to kind of open up, and especially if you want to do a negative space piece. Like it took me a while to find the position of the ring pour that I actually really liked. And that's why, there is so much sped up because I was just tilting and turning. And this piece, I feel like I should have pulled the camera back just a little bit in this one so you guys could, I guess it's not too bad. You can see. But you can see there also too the bits, the white in there. I got a little bit of some, cool effects, a little bit of puffing right over there in the right, I guess, right now. And and I got some cells that popped up. So this paint was mixed and it's set, but I probably could have let it sit a little longer. But wow, I tell you what, that cup, that pour out cup, that spouted cup is so excellent for ring pours. It really, really is. You just kind of have to breathe, don't lock your knees, pour slowly. And then, when you tilt, take your time, you guys. Really, 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 really take your time. Yeah, I'm glad I sped up most of this. I think this is even sped up just a little bit. But I don't know. I really wanted the piece, the main ring pour to kind of dip down to the bottom as much as possible without going over the edge. I did not want it to go over the edge, that bottom edge right there. And so I just wanted that nice curve. And at this point, I'm done. So here are the details in this one. Yeah, I actually painted this when my mother was visiting, and I painted it, and she was like over the moon for this thing. At first, I was like, I don't know, do I like it? I feel like sometimes we're just the worst, our own worst critic, right? We just have such a hard time. Um, but I'll tell you what, when this piece dried, oh my gosh, I actually really love this piece, and it's big. It's a 24 by 24 inch by 24 inch canvas. And but yeah, you can see here the rings are just mwah. I mean, I think so anyway. And then you got a little bit of fun cells in there. There was a little bit of just a few little puffy areas that I was really happy about. All that is pigments in there too. So I haven't varnished this yet. It's just kind of hanging. And so once I varnish it, I don't know. I'm excited about that to see what those pigments look like. So here is just some different orientations. I just really couldn't decide which way I liked it best. You can kind of hang it a bunch of different ways. But thank you so much, you guys, for hanging out with me. Let me know what you think of this ring pour. And yeah, if any of you love it, it's available. So please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.